these are my absolute least favorite boilers to work on. And no, not US boilers. Boilers with intermittent problems. Basically, when the problem happens sometimes, but not on any kind of regular schedule. And lights off fine. Let's see if there were any error codes. Cycle. Then back to the top. It does not look like I am able to see if there are any previous errors on the control. Which means the best thing to do in a situation like this is leave it alone for a while and see what it does. Okay, so ran it for 20 minutes straight, one shot, to see if maybe it's something during the operation that shuts off the boiler. Didn't happen. So then went to thermostat, turned it off, turned it on, probably half a dozen times. Still did not trip out on the initial startup. So from here, like I always say, is the juice worth the squeeze? Should I spend another 2 hours working on this, trying to recreate the problem? Or can I go do other no heat calls and wait for the problem to come back? The homeowner is gonna record the display screen, show me what it says, and hopefully leave it in the state that it's in, and I can come back and take a look at it and troubleshoot it while it's in whatever problem mode it's in, instead of having to go through this all over again. Now I gotta go bleed radiators.
Got the pressure.
No air in that one. The valve's just closed. Oh my God, I'm having a great day today. So far, I've literally done nothing. All right, the office said this next one should be pretty easy, so let's see what they've got me in for. So we're replacing a steam vent, and this thermostat changed. Am I being punked right now? Like, there is no way at the end of January I'm having this easy of a day. I mean, it is 48 degrees out, but something's gotta be, yeah. You are not gonna believe this. Another thermostat. My God, this is great. I also have not heard back from that first house yet, and at this time of the day, definitely not going back. Oh my God, this has got to be the easiest day I've had all year. Pun intended. But definitely one of the easiest days I've had in a very, very long time. So easy that I've got to be dreaming. Hang on. Let me check.